Charles Babbage. To call the great Charles Babbage father of the computer would not be really justified. He was a great English-born philosopher, mathematician, mechanical engineer, and an inventor who changed the way people used to compute things by the 19th century. His first mechanical computer was a simple device, which was named as difference engine and was made in parts, which were later assembled by his son after his death. At that time, he called it difference engine that was about 8 feet tall and weighed good 15 tons. For his efforts that led to the invention of an engine that could be used for calculating astronomical and mathematical tables, he was awarded with Gold Medal of the Royal Astronomical Society in 1824. His achievements were many, but those all made him the man we know as the person who showed the world a new direction, a direction that has totally changed the world of today. Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is regarded as a distinguished figure in history and was known for his exceptional scientific discoveries. Darwin was born in 12th February 1809 in Shrewsbury, England. He was deeply interested in the subject of taxonomy, which implied the classification of living things and marine surroundings. The 5-year voyage throughout the globe on a ship called HMS Beagle is considered as the most striking event in Darwin's life. During the voyage, Darwin had inculcated thorough knowledge about the geological areas he visited and had even amassed the numerous assortment of the natural historical specimen. This remarkable voyage was perhaps the principal inspiration that aided him to coin the later ideas. Darwin is well renowned for proposing the theory of evolution, which was accepted on a global basis. This great personality had discovered a natural law, which mentions that life has come into existence on the basis of the force of natural selection. He also coined the phrasal words, survival of the fittest. He died on 19th April 1882. Corradino de Ascanio. Corradino de Ascanio was born on 1st February 1891 at Popoli in Pescara. He was an Italian aeronautical engineer. He designed the first innovation helicopter for the Augusta, the first motor scooter was also designed by him for Ferdinando Innocent. Ferdinando Innocent gave him responsibility to design the scooter that was easy to drive for both men and women. From the childhood, he was very passionate about the flights and their designs. So he took the chance to build some special things that could fly. He started the work on flight designs. Around 1965, he was awarded with the Order of Merit of the Italian Republic by the President of the Italian Republic. This was for his good services to Italy. For all time frustrated by the fact he was openly recognized for his links by the Vespa motor scooter, more than his developments and patents in the world of aviation. He died in Pisa on 6 August 1981. Clarence Birdseye. Clarence Birdseye, an American naturalist, is the originator of the science behind frozen foods. His interest in the food industry began during 1912 to 1915, while he was conducting a field study in Labrador. Birdseye came up with the idea to freeze seafood at a very low temperature. When he found that seafood in Labrador remained very fresh at -40 degrees Celsius. In 1922, after experimenting his idea at Clothil Refrigerating Company, he founded Birds Eye Seafoods Inc. to refrigerate fish fillets at -43 degrees Celsius. In 1925, he started General Seafood Corporation, which promoted packaged and canned seafood. During this period, he invented the double belt freezer, which utilized belts made of stainless steel to freeze the fish instantly. Birdseye sold all his patents and General Seafood Corporation to Goldman Sachs and the Postum Company, which came up with Birdseye Frozen Food Company to distribute frozen foods like fish, vegetables, etc. in the market using the Birdseye technology. The Birdseye brand continues to remain at the pinnacle of the frozen food industry even today. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.